KTVU's Jana Katsuyama now, who joins us with a look at how people across our area are remembering the day the world changed. Jana?
Claudine, according to the CDC, as of March 1st of this year, more than 1.2 million Americans have died from COVID, and the families who lost loved ones are remembering them today as health officials are reflecting on the lessons learned. Half a decade since the new coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 plunged the world into a pandemic, the scars are still healing for those who lost their loved ones.
Right now, I need my mom. I need my mom, and, she's not here.
Gina Martinez's mother, Arcelia Martinez, was one of those first victims of COVID back in March 2020. On March 11th of that year, she held her new grandson before she got sick with COVID and died.
That's one of the biggest impact of COVID taking your loved ones away is the holidays. The holidays are the biggest things. It's just so sad during the holidays.
More than 1.2 million Americans have died from COVID, more than 101,000 of them Californians, families remembering loved ones lost. Hatsi Yasukochi is remembered as a fighter, her family saying she was recovering from lung cancer when she caught COVID.
Mom just exemplified a lot of strength and courage, and that's something that, I'll always remember and try and instill in myself and others.
For many, the memories bring back the pain, the stress, and the uncertainty of those early days as the first cases of COVID in January led to masking and social distancing, questions about viral spread, the challenge of rolling out vaccinations, stay-at-home orders, lockdowns, and shutdowns. Santa Clara County was one of the first in the nation to see COVID outbreaks, with Health Director Dr. Sarah Cody beginning restrictions. Her reflections 5 years later.
In all the Bay Area counties, Santa Clara County saw more early activity. It really, the sparks landed here first and then spread. So it was up to us to make early decisions and take early actions. You make decisions as they come with the eye towards protecting people, protecting their health, and communicating what you know when you know it. I think we would do that again.
Dr. Cody announced today that she plans to retire on April 11th. And although there are now vaccines and therapeutics, there are still people who are dying of COVID, and there is still a lot of research to be done. Claudine.
Yeah, certainly. There's been a lot of research already in just the past 5 years, and it's remarkable when you think that it started, we didn't have a vaccine, and how quickly science moved at that point. But what are some of the things we still don't know today?
Well, Dr. Cody and others say that some of the big questions are still out there. Why some people got more sick than others, and also some questions about the speed of the transmission and the mutation. And now we're also seeing some questions about the impacts of long COVID.
Yeah, certainly a conversation that will continue for many, many years, I think, as we try to kind of get these answers that we still don't have. All right, Jana, thank you so much for that report.